to make introduction video. Let me make introduce myself. My name is Fahiratul Aziza Azhara, but you can also call me Hira. I'm from class 8F. I'll also describe my physical appearance. I'm short with a height 149 centimeters, and my weight is about 14 kilograms. I'm with slim. I have curly brown hair, and I have tan medium brown skin. I'm a parent because whenever there's an incident that requires interesting ideas. I also have a very curious feeling because I always want to know stories my friends, even though they're not that important. Thank you guys!